Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Hey guys, thanks for waking up with me. And today, we're doing a completely different style of video. As you can tell, we're not at the house right here. I'm actually in the car and we're in front of Trader Joe's. We're doing a Trader Joe's Thanksgiving haul video. And it's gonna be a two-part video. This first one is we're gonna go in, fill up the cart with everything Trader Joe's, everything Thanksgiving. The second part is we're gonna cook it all. I'm excited about it. And I'm excited to show you as well. So, hey, let's just go ahead and get inside here and fill the cart up. No Thanksgiving is complete without stuffing, in my opinion. Gluten-free. We're not gluten-free, so we're not gonna get that one. Look, you got some turkey stuff. What? Cornbread stuffing mix. We're getting a couple of them. Try that out. Listen, we're not getting it right now, but shelf-stable whipping cream. Trader Joe's has you covered. What a time saver. Pour it out, whip it up, done. And Adeline Bell's favorite Trader Joe's thing is obviously no. And that's Thanksgiving because it's turkey, right? All right, guys. And cranberry orange relish. Stephanie's a cranberry person. Look, here's what we're going with. Brine, bone-in, half turkey breast. There's just a few of us, so this will be fine. A couple years ago, they had a leg. Maybe I'm too late. We'll see. Guys, what is this? Turkey and stuffing? What? We're getting it. We're gonna try it. Listen, also, we got back here some mac and cheese bites. That's Thanksgiving, right? All right, everybody, and we're back from Trader Joe's. Here is our Thanksgiving haul. Super excited to get into some of this. Some of the stuff we've had, some of it we haven't. The next video we come out with is gonna be all of this cooked. But for now, this is just the haul. So let's start over here on the right. The main dish, of course, is going to be the turkey breast. This is a bone-in half turkey breast, already brined. I'll probably be doing it on the smoker. We'll see. This is $6.99 a pound, and so this came to a total of $19.64. Again, it's just three of us, so it's perfect. So besides, oh, and I probably will go find a turkey leg. They didn't have any there at Trader Joe's. I think I was just too late for it. So. Next up, cornbread stuffing mix, $3.99 a box. Plenty in that one there. The next two side items we have are corn pudding and cauliflower gratin. And I'm excited about the cauliflower. Stephanie's excited about the corn pudding. It's one of her favorite Trader Joe's items. Each of these are $4.99 a piece. Next up here, potatoes. We got these last year and these worked out really good. This is pretty much just frozen up cubed potatoes. $2.49 a bag. Saves a lot of the work of having to peel the potatoes and all that good stuff. Gravy. Got to have gravy, right, with the mashed potatoes if you're doing potatoes. We're going with two kinds of, this is the Trader Joe's turkey gravy, and this is at $1.49 a box. This is actually $3.99, but we figured we'd try it out. This is just some Trader Joe's kettle cooked turkey gravy. So it'll be interesting to see which one reigns supreme. We'll test those out. Cranberry sauce, I'm not a huge fan, Stephanie is, so we got it. Now, one thing she's gonna do is add a little bit of orange juice to it and mix it up. So, cranberry sauce with a kick, it actually sounds good. Now this is a time saver, guys. The Mirepoix. Celery, onions, carrots, already diced up. Saves a lot of time. $2.99 for this. Now some people might say, well, $2.99, I can just get them and do the work myself. That's great, you can. But Thanksgiving gets super busy, so it's about time saving for me. So we got that. Oh, how about this for an appetizer? Mac and cheese bites. $3.99 for the box. Guarantee that's gonna be delicious. Also picked up some turkey stock at $2.29. And we'll get to this one last. Let me show the two desserts. French apple tart. This looks amazing, guys. $7.99. Also couldn't pass this up, apple cranberry tart. 2-pack, One for me, one for Stephanie, or two for me. Let's see how that goes. This is $4.49 for the 2-pack. And last but not least, this was super interesting. This is turkey and stuffing in croûte. I don't know, but we're gonna try it. $12.99 for this right here. It looks good. So, anyways, hey, there is the Trader Joe's Thanksgiving haul. We are doing this Thanksgiving, we are doing all Trader Joe's stuff. So figured why not do a haul video on it and show you what we're bringing to the table Thanksgiving. And yeah, I'm super hungry already just looking at it. It's gonna be delicious. This turkey we've actually had before, and so I know it's good. And time saving, right? There's lots of stuff here that might fit for you and your family, and just something to kind of save a little bit of time. So anyways, hey, thanks for watching, and be looking out for the next video where we're gonna cook everything up and show you the final product. Thanks for watching.